Hello, my name is Alex Moore, and I'm the president of QD Fabric Solutions. I bring over 30 years of textile experience to the table, with the last 15 years living full-time in China, managing, directing, and partnering with world-class fabric manufacturers. At QD Fabric Solutions, we strive to produce the highest quality fabrics for our customers that meets or exceeds their quality requirements. It all begins by sourcing the highest quality yarns that are processed and woven into base fabrics with a wide range of end uses. Next, we utilize advanced dyeing and finishing techniques, selecting only the best dyeing and finishing chemistries that are not only effective, but are also environmentally friendly. Following standardized operating procedures, we monitor each step of the manufacturing process with in-process quality checks, physical testing, and 100% inspection of the final products. We also offer stocking and quick ship programs for certain key customers. Fabric Solutions, and our company name, is our commitment to design and develop the best fabrics with the right solutions, with attention to details that are critical to our customers.